My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below. But this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you. And now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
So I'm trying to launch my first site, and I haven't had a whole lot of success with it. It's been a while since I actually launched a new site. Got about 10 of them out there, but I haven't launched many. And most of the ones that I've launched them from inception, where this particular one is a consultant that has a Wix website that I didn't build. I didn't have anything to do with it, but he asked me to build him a new one. And I'm just trying to migrate and launch his new website, which I have, for the most part built. They're never done, as you know, but for the most part, it's ready to go. And I've been struggling with trying to get it launched. So I'm hoping maybe you can help me with that.
Sure, yeah, let's check it out. If you want to share screen, we can check it out and just see what we need to finish up on it.
Okay. Got it?
It's coming. There we go.
Okay. So let's see. This is the site Fixed Op Stock. He's a business consultant, helps car dealers with their service department. And the site's largely ready to go. And I was on with GoHighLevel support last night, and we bumped our head up against the challenge. We don't have a domain connected. So I'm trying to, it was originally the website's a GoDaddy domain, and now it's on Wix, and I need to get it pushed over. So what do I need to do?
Domain was on GoDaddy. Now it's on Wix. Is the domain still hosted with like GoDaddy? Is it on
Still
there?
registered with GoDaddy, yeah.
Still registered there. All we have to do is delete two of the records, two of the DNS records. Do you have GoDaddy pulled up? Perfect.
Yeah, here. Yeah.
All right, and then go to the domains or go to the domain that you want to use. Yeah, we just have to disconnect them from Wix real quick and then connect it to the GoHighLevel site. Is like the GoHighLevel site ready? Like pretty up, like ready, just how the
Yeah,
customer wants it?
it's ready to go live. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so go to DNS. And then there's going to be an A record and a CNAME record that we need to delete. Those are going to be hooked up to Wix, and then we need to re-add those into GoHighLevel.
So this is where it got confusing. Um,
We can't display your DNS information because your name servers aren't managed by us. Go over to name servers.
where? Oh, here. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. And then they're on Wix. So just click change name servers. As long as we're done with the Wix site, this will mess stuff up in Wix, but as long as he doesn't need Wix anymore, then we can just
Yep.
delete these. Just go back to GoDaddy's name servers. The little checkbox up there. All right, and then click save. So the site on Wix is now probably going to be down for a minute, but we're just going to hook it right up to HighLevel. So it will only be down for a second and then continue. Oh no, is that the customer's phone number or yours?
It's the customers. I'll ask him to send it to me though. Sometimes he's really responsive. Um,
Once you do
there-
this, you'll be able to delete there's an A record that's going to have an at symbol next to it. You're going to delete that one if we can't get him on to send this code real quick. And then there's a CNAME record that's going to have www next to it. And those are the only two we need to delete. And then we need to
so we'll
re-add
just
those
okay.
and go high
We'll give him
level.
just a second. While I'm waiting, generally he's pretty quick about it. He knows I'm trying to get this going. While I'm waiting, I've been trying to set up his Google profile, and it got declined, and I can't figure out why. Um, he's a consultant. He does not have a physical business address. I mean, he has his home address. Um,
So
But I,
usually whatever email y'all use to create the Google business profile, probably one of his, usually he'll get some sort of email notification that's like your Google business profile was declined due to, and then it'll give like usually like a vague reason. And then sometimes it'll give him an option to like resubmit something, whether it's the video that he needs to take of he doesn't have a physical address, right? He's like using his house as
yeah.
his office or something.
So here he is right here.
Yeah, it's just the verification video probably that you need to take.
Here's
Access has
the
been dis
access.
Oh, here we go. All right, access has been disabled because profile doesn't follow the guidelines. Edit your business info and learn how to regain access. Click edit info real fast. Biz name shouldn't matter. Business category shouldn't matter. Description, opening date, contact info, website, social profiles, location and areas. Deliveries and home service only. Click on oh yeah, service areas. So he services the entire United States.
Yeah, he could get called to any dealer in the country.
Okay. Trying to think if like one of these two things could be the issue. Business location. Click on business location real fast. Show business address to customers. No. Yeah, that's fine. We should be fine with that. That shouldn't be the issue. Hours of operation should be good. Special hours, add more. No. Um, all right, I'm not seeing any like red flags here. And his business is like a consulting business, so it's not like one of the unapproved types of businesses that Google would not allow. Did he send the code?
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm trying to think. I wish they would give us like a more exact reason of like what it was that it could be. Did he ever take that like little 2 minute video of his like, because usually that even if he doesn't have a physical location, whatever address he put on like the back end of the profile when he created it, usually they'll ask him for a quick video verifying he has some sort of website and he has to take a video like going to his front door, unlocking the front door of his house, maybe showing the street sign that he lives on. You have to do like a quick little 2 minute video walkthrough a lot of times. Did he ever get prompted to do that as he was setting this up or as you were setting it up?
I don't know. He never mentioned it to me, but I can certainly ask, of course.
That's the only thing I'm thinking that it could be is like that video verification might not have passed. They give you very specific instructions of what to do. They're like, all right, take a quick video, and you have to do it all within 2 minutes, which is the hardest part. But you use like a Google Camera app that they have, and you have to
Hmm.
take the video through this app, and it'll make you do it on your phone. And you have to take a little video of like, all right, here's the street sign. Let me show you walking in my front door. Even though it's not a physical
Mailbox.
location
Yeah.
people will come into, he still has to show proof of business. He has to maybe show some business cards, or he has to have his laptop up on his table once he walks through that front door, showing that he has the key to get in and he owns the place. Show a video of like the screen that his homepage of his website's pulled up. And then they'll usually come back and say, we need some additional verification, or it'll get approved right then after the video is sent. So that's the only thing I can think of that might have gotten why it might have gotten to decline. So,
I'll check his email, or have him check his email and look for that.
okay.
Yeah,
If
I
we
can
go back
always.
to, sounds good. If we go back to GoDaddy DNS, we're updating your name server, refresh to check. Go ahead and refresh them, and then it should show
Oh
up.
yeah, sorry.
You're good.
There was
Should,
a button down there.
should work just the same where you refreshed. Um, there we go. All right. So if you scroll down, or sorry, go back to DNS records, the tab up there, right there. Yeah. Okay. So the A record with the at symbol, go ahead and delete that one.
This one.
Yep. That's the one we need to hook it up to go high level. And then Yep, continue. Hopefully it doesn't need to send you another code. Ah, come on.
That's all right. He'll respond quickly. Pretty good. It's frustrating.
You're good. It is frustrating though, yeah.
Give him just a second. The other thing I've struggled with for my agency is getting the A2P approved. Holy cats. It's like pulling teeth.
That one's a bit difficult with certain types of businesses. They have to have the EIN number. It's much easier if they've got the LLC already created. So if there's
They
some
need
issues
the
like that.
EIN letter, not just the number.
Well, it depends. If you have an established EIN and LLC and you've been in business for a while, typically it'll run it through their database and they'll be able to automate and see that the EIN number is registered. But if it's a new EIN number that was registered in the last 45 days, that's
Hmm.
where you'll hit issues because it's not going to be in the IRS's automated system yet. And so then you have
Yeah.
to manually send that 575C form to Go High Level and they have to push it through manually. Anyway, then delete the CNAME record, the third one down that has www next to it. Yeah, that one. All right.
Yeah, my original EIN is like 15 years old, but I stood up a new one for this purpose, and it's probably about probably 90 days, maybe 120 days old.
Oh,
But
it is.
it's the first legal anything I've done with it. Oh my gosh. You kidding
And
me?
this is the last one, so this should be the last
Okay.
code he needs to send you.
Yeah.
Your EIN though, you have had it for like 90 to 100 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird. Usually it should be in their automated system, so it should like automatically get approved,
Yeah.
but
I've been trying
maybe
to
not
call to get the 575, but man, good luck getting through.
to the IRS. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're terrible to work with. They don't do anything digitally. Well, they do issue a digital 575C form when you first register it, but like if you don't have that saved, like they have to like send you a paper copy. I don't know if they'll like send digital copies anymore. It's really tough to work with them.
Okay.
Um, okay. Now let's go to high level and we're gonna go click back the top left. Um, go down to settings here at the bottom left. And then go down to scroll down on the left over here. We're going to go to domains and URL redirects. And then we're going to click connect a domain right here. Going to go up to this top option, domain, and just type out the domain.
Um, I don't need the WW, do I?
No, it'll automatically add it. So go to continue and then go to continue. Well, click add record manually, actually. Let's just do this. All right. So copy this right here and then go back to GoDaddy. We're going to click add new record. We're going to choose A. The name is going to be the @ symbol. And then paste that value in right there.
Oops.
You'll put it in the value box over here.
Yep, gotcha.
And then TTL half an hour. Go ahead and save that record. All right. And then back to high level, copy this one. And then same deal once this loads. Oh no.
Oh no, yeah. Come on. Ah.
Dang it. I thought that he must have some sort of like extra security on his because it usually isn't like this. Like usually
Yeah, he's being really responsive, so who knows where he
it'll
is.
be two more then. He'll need to send this one and then one more.
Yep.
And sorry about that. But yeah, that and then once the CNAME record's added, we should be able to hook up the domain to the website. Should be live.
Holy cats. I think I have access to the admin on his GoDaddy account. I could probably just go in and change it myself. Yeah, I've got like probably 8 websites I need to move over.
8 of them.
Yeah.
They don't. Why don't you just keep them in Wix, I guess? Do they
I,
want
I'll
new
move them
ones?
over. I'll move them over slowly.
Or are
I'm
you
not
able to replicate them pretty good and go high level? Like, do you want them to look the same as what they had before, or are they asking for something different, like a new redesign?
I can do it either way. They all will leave it up to me to do whatever I think I need to do. But you can't bring them over from Wix, can you?
No, I wish you could.
Unless they're WordPress. I guess you could bring WordPress ones over, right?
WordPress, yes. Kind of. I mean, it's not like you're bringing it into the high level website builder. It's just an integration that Go High Level like has a native WordPress integration. So you still are building it in WordPress. It just like makes it easy to connect the Go High Level forms and chat widgets and the lead captures from Go High Level onto the WordPress site, but it's still technically built in WordPress.
Yeah.
It'd be sweet if they could just like take any website built on any other platform and just like shove it into high level and like make it editable in high levels and make it look all the same, but they're just different software completely. So it doesn't
Yeah.
really work that way. I wish it did. It'd be really nice.
I get it. He didn't respond yet. I just sent him another text. Hopefully he's not in with a client. That can be a pain in the butt for him.
Anyway, you know how to add the records now. You'll just
Yep.
add a record, CNAME record, and then the only unfortunate part is like if you search up his website right now, it's probably
Mhm.
going to be down.
Yep.
Not that it really matters that much unless he's getting tons of traffic to his site, but like
No. No.
shouldn't be that
He
big a
usually,
deal.
he usually only gets traffic when he goes on a stage somewhere, whether it's Clubhouse or does a live or something like that. That's when he starts getting a lot of traffic to his site.
Yeah, it looks like it was down, but this will anyway, this will fix it. And then
Yeah. Is this the last one? We just need to do the C name.
yeah, this one that he's trying to send the code for here is going to be that A record just to add that, and then you'll have to get one more code from him after this for the C name record, and that's it. And
Okay.
then after that, you'll click verify. Like if you go back to high level, there's that button that's like verify, and then you'll click that, and then it'll take like 20 seconds and it'll say good to go, and then you'll be able to select which website you want to hook up to the domain. So you'll see a drop down, you'll select the one you built for them from your websites, and then
Mm-hmm.
you'll pick a home page. You'll pick like the main root page, which will be your home page from another drop down, and then just click like save, and then it'll be hooked up and searchable on the web.
Okay. All right. Easy enough.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.